Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate right here, guys, on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. When you open the hood on your Ford F-150, guys, once you open the hood, right above the radiator, you will see your fuse box. And when you open that fuse box, you're going to see, guys, your fuses. They will be just like that, facing them this way. You can see that's the back side of the fuse box towards the windshield. That's where the relays are, and you will be facing these fuses. So before we continue, let's explain, guys, something. Those fuses and relays could be really expensive at the parts store because there are specific fuses and relays. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see, guys, those are the fuses. Where is the fuse for the oxygen sensor heater? If you come in that row right here of fuses, guys, that row right here, starting from the very left, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2, that 20 amp fuse. This is known as fuse number 76. That's the fuse, guys, for the heated oxygen sensor. That fuse is very important for the engine as well. It's for the VCT solenoid, MUF sensor, intake air temperature sensor, the purge valve, and multiple other components. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.